Hey, what's up, y'all? Happy Wednesday to you. Happy hump day. Let's get to it. We got the Fed coming out to talk today this evening. Should be around about 2 o'clock, 2:30, somewhere between 2 and 3. Let's see what's going to happen. I think he's going to hold the interest rates where they are. Trump want him to come down. Everybody do, but I think he probably going to hold it. So we're going to see what's going to happen. Market might fall after that. I think it's priced in for the hold, but we're going to see. Y'all subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, watch my recent videos, share my channel also. Let's get through this trade. Let's go buy some of this cash flow, man. Ticker, we'll go with PSEC. Got a nice little list today. Got down to $3.24 today. Right now it's at $3.22. I did a swing trade on this, paying 4.5 cents a share too for PSEC. Ex-dividend date was yesterday. Paying 4.5 cents a share like usual. Last year, it was paying 6 cents a share, but they reduced the dividend. Still good, man. For every dollar, you're getting at least a penny and something a piece. So you're getting 4.5 cents a share at $3.22. So it's definitely still at this price. I already brought some at $3.24. Gonna go get some more at this price here. $3.22. This will be a swing trade also. Make sure PSEC don't trade 24 hours. No. I sold this earlier this month at $3.38. All the shares I brought at like the $3.17, $3.16, $3.20. Made like 8 to 14, 18 cents a share, somewhere in there. It did surpass it and went to like $3.40 something, so I might hold a lot longer, but you do get a dividend for holding it. Trade at your own risk. That's what I'm doing. You can follow me if you like. I got a buy order set for 100 shares at $3.20. Just in case it hit it. CHCT had bad earnings. Dividend yield 11.48%. Market cap $460 million. 52-week high 27.62 with a low of $27.62. I'm sorry, a low of $14.76. I'm already in it, so I'm buying it. I did go get $3 worth already today. Making another 2 since I'm online. This one y'all can stay out of. If you in it, just dollar cost average on down. It's better places to put your money. Interest rates go lower. This gonna take off though. So if you want a future swing trade, this can be one. It got a dividend yield of 11%, so you're not gonna get much growth, but it does have upside about $12 a share. Redwood Trust they met their earnings, but this down for the day. I already got what I got today of this. I got $2 worth. Get another dollar since I'm online. I want y'all to feel alone. Are there better plays than this? I would say yes. Dividend yield is 11.7%. Market cap $760 million. This is better than the CHCT. I would take this one. OXLC 9 cents a share month. Buy order. I put about 105 shares at $365. Paid 9 cents a share. Got to get in another portfolio. We're gonna go with ORC. Orchid Island 12 cents a share month. Ex-dividend date yesterday. I like this at $8 and under, so I am riding this stock up, accumulating slowly, and cashing up at the same time in case it does go back to $7. Get some bad news on something, if Trump do something to get out of line that the economy and the shareholders don't like, they're gonna sell. ARR I like 19 and under, 24 cents a share. Definitely need to lower my average cost in this one. QILD 16.5 cents a share. Like this at 17 and under. Just reinvesting the dividends. Got a dividend payout yesterday in this. Want to say it was like 100. This was my lowest one. RLD was the biggest one. $128.40. So I do $2 to $3 a day in it at these prices, just lowering my average cost and accumulating it. TSLY like at $8 and under. Accumulating this slowly also. Go more $5 to get to 750. USOI trading at 55 bucks. This one here is only going up. I like it at 62 and under. We gotta hit MSTY, Misty, options on MicroStrategy. 2068, I'm at 2190. Add a little piece on that there too. We are going to ULTY, pays out weekly. Going to accumulate some of that at 622. Like I say, I'm buying it, buying and cashing up at the same time. LAND land $9.52. Definitely need to lower my average cost in this one. If y'all want to get in land, it's Gladstone Land. They rent out land to farmers. Dividend yield 5.84%. 52-week low 866 with a high 1511. It's also gonna go up when the interest rates get cut, paying 4.5 cents a share a month. So that's worth it to you. I probably put it in another place, to be honest. I go by the QYLD, got a high dividend yield. QYLD yield is like 11.2 to 12%. OPI is the office REIT. I say REIT's gonna go up. This is gonna be just a swing trade for me. I'm gonna trade my way up out of this. Get 10 shares a day when it's down, just lowering that average cost. I'm at 44 cents. Got UPS, just to give y'all this play too on my list. Went and brought some of that today. Got $10 worth of that. They say they're going to be on hold because of the tariffs. People not buying as much. It's showing you that the economy is getting weaker as far as people spending. Two Harbors is another REIT. That I like, especially at this range here. USOY pays out weekly. Got 20 cents a share for this week. That's why the price is rising. They keep it at that 20 cents. This stock definitely gonna take off. HRZN Horizon, 11 cents a share a month. Got a dividend payment like 116 bucks. So I'm just buying, accumulating, lower my average cost. Basically, I already got my 1,000 shares. Show y'all my dividend payment right here. There you go. So gonna reinvest a little less than half and cash up or put it into another play with the rest. OXSQ. I took advantage of Horizon. It was around the 750 and went down, I think, like $7.20. $2.30 for this one we going in at. Pay 3.5 cents a share a month. Another one I brought some of, another portfolio. If y'all want to get in, it's Pfizer. I know this is a blue chip company. Got a dividend yield of 7%. Market cap 137,000. Billion. 52-week high is 31.54 with a low of 20.92. SCHD trade around the $27 mark. Better load up on this while it's below the $30. I got $1 a day going into SCHD. Get an extra $2 worth of this price. Western Union, they raised the stock price of this target stock price to $9. When I get to 9, I'm gonna probably take some profit on it, on these little shares I'm buying cheap. And rinse and repeat. It might come back down. If it goes forward, that's good. If it come back down, I'm gonna rinse and repeat, lower my average cost. Probably gonna trade my way up out of it. Reason being that it's a financial stock, bank stock. You got SoFi out there that everybody's crazy about. So, banks don't really have a big moat. They got Walmart paid also. Walmart's a buy and hold forever stock for me. So I'm gonna put my Western Union money into Walmart. All right, CHMI, I'm gonna sell this at the $3 and over mark. But accumulating right now some more, lowering that average cost. And just to show y'all charge point, got down to 861 today. And I'm gonna just buy like 2 or 3 shares a week just to see what it's gonna do. Cause it is getting beat down also. So I'm gonna just buy this like weekly, buy like 5 shares a week or something, or 3 shares a week at the weekly low. That's what I'm gonna do with that. Let it go ahead and do its thing. See how people really feeling about it. All right. As y'all can see, my buying power is building up, dividends, paying that margin back, building my portfolio off of Robinhood's money. I think they charge like 5.5% interest rate, but I'm turning over way more than that. All of my money I was gonna invest, I just pay my bills up to live off, and I'm using their money to trade with. Right now I got like 21 grand in margin that I'm using. So I got a whole lot of margin left. I'm gonna start doing some swing trade in this portfolio too. With some monthly dividend payers. Watching the pattern on them, how they dip after the ex-dividend date. So y'all stay tuned for that. I did it with PSEC, PSEC, Prospect Capital. It's definitely one I'm going to be doing it with. Like I said, you get 4.5 cents a share a month. It's gonna run back up at probably $3.40. So this time to accumulate. Got some buy orders in right here. Got that for the day. Let's look at what else. I need to bring my average cost down in this one. This the one I need to be trading in. 316. I'm gonna go 300 shares right there. And I'm gonna sell those shares at that 338 mark. That's what I'm gonna do. I got my average cost in other portfolio down to like 393. 315 right here. All right, that'll be good. All right, go check out traps. Might go get 500 shares. That's what I'm thinking about. Definitely knock that average cost down and just be swing trading this one. Okay. It's LTC. Got to get the Dow. Know this one getting beat down. Getting $10 a day of this one. Want to lower that average cost here. I'm at 35. Need to bring that on down. TSLX also had bad earnings. I think BXMT did also. So I'm up 30%. So not worry about it. Pets got to get some of this. And we got down to the day 311 a day. Also a swing trade. Y'all stay out of this one. Got land. Ain't worried about Nike right now. Brandywine, get some of that later. See, Gaming and Leisure REIT, Global Medical REIT, that's what that one is. That's what I need to get, GMRE. All right, why am I buying Global Medical REIT? 11.11% yield, $512 million market cap, 52-week low 606 with a high of 1046. This is a healthcare REIT. Sit there and get that juicy dividend quarterly. All right, we got Redwood Trust. Had that on my list. AFCG. Just going to get some more of this. Knock down that average cost. It's a marijuana REIT I will be selling. This dollar cost averaging on in. Goldman Sachs BDC paid a nice dividend. Just trying to see what my average cost is. Let's let that stand for now. APLY, options on Apple. I like this below the $13 mark though. I'm gonna buy that after the ex-dividend date. Walmart is all, like I said, Walmart buying whole stock. They get SCHD. It's Fiat for the day. 298. We can chill with Fiat. PYPY coming back down. Options on PayPal. Good time to bring down the average cost. PYPY. Nice dividend yield on this one also. SCHF is the international Charles Schwab stock. Got this on the dollar-a-day investment. And some of my growth stuff. So y'all think your boy don't be buying no growth stuff. I just don't talk about it. But that's it, man. Nice trade for the day. Signing off. Go get your money. Y'all stay cool and stay safe out there.